Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify flood zone changes with FEMA updates, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify flood zone changes with FEMA updates, start by visiting the official FEMA website. Navigate to the Flood Map Service Center, often abbreviated as the FMSC. Once on the site, locate the search bar, typically found on the homepage. Enter your property address into the search bar. Click on the search icon to retrieve the flood zone information for your property. Review the map that displays your area to see the current flood zone designation. Next, look for any recent updates or revisions related to flood maps. You can usually find this information under the Updates or Changing Flood Maps section. To ensure accuracy, check the date of the last map update. If your property falls in or near a flood zone, take note of the new designations. For further verification, consider downloading the flood map in a PDF format. Examine the details in the PDF to understand how the changes affect your property. If needed, reach out to your local floodplain manager for clarification on the updates. They can provide insights on flood risk and any local regulations related to flood insurance. Remember to keep a record of any findings and updates for future reference. Regularly check the FEMA site for any new updates, as flood zones can change over time. Stay informed about your property's risk and adapt accordingly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.